Hey guys, it's From13. Today I'm going to be changing out the air filter in my 89 F-150 XLT Lariat. This particular one is 4-wheel drive. I got a Motorcraft filter, FA1046. First thing you do is release your hood, which is this latch right here. And I believe this same application is for the 87 through 96 or something like that. Very, very similar at least. Next thing you do, come out to the front of your truck. And the only reason this is on ramps is because I'm about to change the fuel filter too. Put the little latch under here, push it to the right, left. Lift up the hood. And then right here will be your airbox. It's got 4 screws, all flathead or 5/16. I'm going to be using a 5/16 chuck on an impact driver. Get these out, not because I need to, but because it's faster. Unless you drop your chuck, which I just did, but it's right here, so don't lose these. There's one. Two. Three. And 4. 4 wasn't even tight. Alright, now it should just pop off the whole thing. Yep, there it goes. Just pull that off, set it over here to the side, pull out the old filter. This one is pretty bad. I've seen worse. There's actually some oil in here. I don't know what that, just a little bit. Oh, it's from the PCV valve. I'm just going to wipe it out. And I believe you can change out the filter. This is what the inside of the box looks like. This PCV valve comes from right here. And it's got a little filter there. Wipe it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then get your new air filter, FA1046. It's a Motorcraft. It's the best thing to use in Fords is a Motorcraft because they are Ford. And then set this in here with the seal up, just like that. Actually, the metal insert for this side over here is falling out, so that screw doesn't even go in. And then take your air intake, set it back down on top like that. It'll pop into place. Tighten these back down just a little bit. Don't go insane with it. It's just aluminum, cast aluminum. You don't need to tighten it down. like crazy or anything. And I guess I'll just put this one in just because why not? I'm gonna look into that and just see. I didn't even put it on there. I'll have to look in that and see if I can get that fixed. See if I can order a new airbox or something. I'm gonna replace the filter for the PCV valve too that goes inside here. But that's all. This is Farmall 13. Like, subscribe, check out the Farmall 13 Facebook page and the new Farmall 13 Instagram page. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, now once you got it on, see that there'll be a little ring around it